Hello everybody. This will be a tutorial on how to configure your SMTP settings within the platform. Let's begin. To get to our SMTP settings from the dashboard, we're going to scroll down to Company and we're going to click Company Settings. This will bring us to the SMTP settings page. You'll see your default SMTP settings listed on the table below. The table breaks down into the following. We have the name for your SMTP setting. We have the SMTP address. We have who created the SMTP setting. We have the date that this SMTP setting was created, and the status of your SMTP setting. Normally under actions, we have the ability to edit our SMTP settings or delete. Because this is a system setting, as we can see under the created by tab, we do not have the option to edit or delete this since we are using the platform's default SMTP setting. If we want to create a new custom SMTP setting, we can hit New, and we'll put in the name of our SMTP setting. We put in our service provider. Under the username or email address, you'll put in the username or email address to be used for the SMTP setting. Under password, we'll put in the password for the SMTP server. If your SMTP server requires authentication, you'll select Use Authentication. If the email service supports or requires an SSL connection, please select Use SSL. If SMTP relay authorization is enabled on the email server for the platform, then select Has SMTP relay. If you're a reseller account, you'll have the option to make this available not just for your company, but for any companies under your reseller account. Under Reply To, you can add in the email address that will be receiving the replies if an email user tries to reply to a training, phishing, or any other emails that have been sent from the platform. If you want to add in an email address to send errors to, this will be the email address that receives any errors with your SMTP settings. We can also add in an email into the CC field if you want somebody else within the platform to receive these notifications. And same thing with the BCC address. If you want to have a custom header that'll be sent out when an email is sent from the platform with this SMTP setting, we can create a custom header here. And then we can set a test email just to confirm that our SMTP setting is working correctly. Once you're happy with your SMTP settings, just click Save. This completes our tutorial on the SMTP settings page with configuring a new SMTP and understanding the SMTP settings menu. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.